see our June month strategies. So India में काफी गर्मी हो रही है of course. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, the Ananya Diaries. It's me Ananya Sinha, your cat Aspirant. So we know that 175 days, approx 175 days are left for CAT exam, and we have to complete our syllabus, which is really vast. And now it's a peak time to boom in our syllabus. So let's see what we will do in today's video. So the strategy that I have prepared for my CAT exam of May month. So I have not completed everything. Like VRC में complete हो गया, DI complete हो गया, LR complete हो गया, but quant में दो topics बाकी हैं अभी भी, that is time walk and distance and I guess mixture and allegations. So we will do first of all that in June month, then we will move forward towards. So let's move forward and see our June month strategies, and we will try to complete like whatever we have planned for June. So let's get started. So you can see on the screen June routine. So first of all we will start with quant, and we will do mixture and allegation, time, speed and distance, because we have not completed these topics in May. So first of all we will do that, and after that we will start with algebra. In algebra we will do linear and quadratic equations, functions and modulus, logarithm and more. We will try to complete algebra topic fully because the time is very less. It's less than 180 days. Of course it's less than 180 days, so we will try to complete algebra, and then we will move forwards towards LR. In LR we will do arrangements, groups and team formation. We have completed quantitative reasoning, but we will revise that, okay? And after that we will move towards DI. In DI I will continue with line graph again, because I have not cleared line graphs because it's not understandable for me. So I will do line graph again and tables. And coming to VARC, I will again do jumble paragraph. Like I have completed jumble paragraph, but of course a revision process you can say, like reading comprehension, like one jumble paragraph or two jumble paragraph a day, and beside that we will do reading comprehensions. So this was our June month strategy, and I hope that I am able to complete this. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.